Hello students. So today's topic is alcohol, phenols and ethers. A new topic, alcohol, phenols and ethers. In theory, this lesson it is for 7 marks, and in that 7 marks, the 2 marks question 1 from part B and 5 marks question 1 from part D. Total it is for 7 marks for this lesson. Okay, alcohol, phenols and ether. In today's class we are going to see the classification of alcohols. What are alcohols? Alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. So how this alcohol is formed? This is hydrocarbon. This H is replaced by OH. H is replaced by what here? OH, and we will get ROH here. This is the general formula of alcohol. Alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Okay. So now next general formula of alcohol is ROH. Next we are going to see the classification of alcohols. So alcohols are classified on the basis of number of OH groups present in the molecule. So alcohols are classified on the basis of number of OH group present in their molecules. The first is monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric. Monohydric alcohols means the molecules contain only one OH group in their structure. The alcohols in which only one OH group is present in their structure is called monohydric alcohols. Example is methanol, ethanol. This is what? Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Common name is methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol it is. Okay, and IUPAC name is methanol and ethanol. Monohydric, only one OH group is present in the molecule. Only one OH group is present in their structure. It is called monohydric alcohol. Next we have dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol, the alcohols in which two OH group is present in their structure, it is called dihydric alcohol. Example is here, this is glycol. Common name is what is glycol, and IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. IUPAC name is ethane 1,2-diol. Okay. Next we have trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohols means the alcohols in which three OH groups are present in their structure. The alcohols in which three OH groups are present in their structure are called trihydric alcohol. Example is here glycerol or glycerin is in common general name is glycerol or glycerin it is. In this three OH groups are present in their structure. Those alcohols are called trihydric alcohol. Next we have polyhydric alcohol. In polyhydric alcohol means the alcohols in which more than three OH groups are present, they are called polyhydric alcohols. So here CH2OH, CHOH4 and CH2OH. This is alditol. What is this one? Alditol. So these are the types of alcohols based on the number of OH groups present in their molecule. Monohydric, dihydric, trihydric or polyhydric. So in our syllabus we have only for monohydric alcohols. We are going to see in detail about monohydric alcohol. So further classification of monohydric alcohols we are going to see it. Dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric alcohol, just introduction it is. Okay. So monohydric alcohol are the alcohols in which only one OH group is present. It is called monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohols are further classified according to the type of hybridization of carbon atom to which the OH group has attached. See here, this is CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, and now here CH3, CH2 double bond CHOH. If you see here in both the cases, this OH group has attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. If you open this structure, how it looks? This is CH, this is H here, and here we have OH. So this carbon, if you see, has 4 single bonds here. 4 single bonds means this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Okay, so the OH group has attached to that carbon which is sp3 hybridized here. Okay, and here if you see this case, here we have this CH. If you open and write here, this is H. The OH group has attached to that carbon of the group, that carbon which is sp2 hybridized. Here we have how many sigma bonds here? 3 sigma bond and 1 pi bond, means this carbon is sp2 hybridized. So if OH group is attached to the carbon which is having sp2 hybridized, and here the OH group has attached to that carbon which is sp3 hybridized. So alcohols are this monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols, further classification, it is depend on the type of hybridized carbon atom, to which the OH group has attached. Okay, to which the OH group has attached here. So the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom here, and here the OH group has attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom here. So further classification of alcohols are based on the type of hybridized carbon atom to which the OH group has attached. Okay, so here we have two types here, CsP3OH or CsP2OH it is. Okay, so now we are going to see this CsP3OH type of classification. Means here the compound containing OH group on sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. So see here, these are also three types. The alcohols in which the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, those alcohols are of which type? CsP3OH type here. These are also three types. The first is saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohol. Saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols. Okay. And second one is allylic alcohol. Third is benzylic alcohol. So in these all the three types, the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but they three all are different. How they are different, we are going to see one by one. Okay, so first is we will see the saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols. What are these one? Saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols. In these alcohols, the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group. This is CH3CH2OH. So the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group. This is alkyl group. What is this one? CH3CH3. It is what? Ethane. Alkane it is. If one we will remove the hydrogen from here, it is what? Ethyl. This is an alkyl group. Okay. So this alkyl group, the carbon's hybridization is what here? sp3 hybridization here for this carbon here. And OH has attached to this carbon only. So what is this one? Saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols. In this type, the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group here. CH3CH2OH. Again here this is CH3. This one if I write here CH3 and here CH and here OH. CH3 CH CH3 OH. Okay, and next here CH3 CCH3, CCH3, OH. So in these three cases you see here, the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom here. Here also the OH, and it is monohydric, one OH group only here. In this case also the OH group is attached to this carbon. This carbon is also sp3 hybridized here. If you will open and see here, only 4 single bond are there, means it is sp3 hybridized here. In this case also this carbon is sp3 hybridized here. See 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single bond means it is sp3 hybridization, and OH group is attached here. So this is monosaturated, saturated. Saturated means single bond, saturated. This chain is what here? Single bond here. There is no double bond here. All are single bond here. That's why it is saturated. Aliphatic. Aliphatic means here the single chain of carbon atoms with a single bond it is. So the name is saturated aliphatic. Monohydric means only one alcohol here. So but the difference is there. In these three cases, the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom only. But here difference is there here. What is the difference here? What is the difference here? See here, the OH group has attached to the primary carbon. What type of carbon it is? This is a primary carbon. Primary carbon means the carbon which is attached to only one carbon atom, it is called primary carbon. So the OH group has attached to the primary carbon. That's why it is called primary alcohol. This is what called primary alcohol. This is primary alcohol. Next here, the OH group has attached to the secondary carbon. This carbon is what here? Secondary carbon. The carbon which is attached to other carbons, two other carbons, they are called secondary carbon. So this OH group has attached to the secondary carbon here. Secondary carbon. That's why this type of alcohols are called secondary alcohol. This is what? Secondary alcohol. And now here this carbon is what here? Tertiary carbon. The carbon which is attached to the three other carbons, they are called tertiary carbon. So this alcohol is what called tertiary alcohol. What is this one? Tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. What is this name? Ethyl alcohol. What is this one? Ethyl alcohol, or IPAC name is ethanol. This is what a common name is isopropyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, and this is what tertiary butyl alcohol, common name, general name. So this saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols are also three types. What are those three? Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So if primary alcohol means if the OH group is attached to the primary carbon of an alkyl group, then it is called primary alcohol. And if OH group is attached to the secondary carbon of an alkyl group, then it is called secondary alcohol. And next, if OH group is attached to the tertiary carbon of an alkyl group, then it is called tertiary alcohols. So next we have what? Allylic alcohols. So these are saturated, these are single bond only, all single bond chain, it is aliphatic chain here in this type. Next we have second one is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols means what? See here, this is CH3, CH2, double bond, CH, CH2, OH. Okay? CH2, double bond CH, CH2, OH. Now in this case, the OH group, again I will write here further CH, now in this case if you see here, the OH group has attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom only here. Only one OH group means what it is? Monohydric. Again, next is what we have here. This OH group is attached to this carbon. This carbon is what? sp3 hybridized only. If you will open this structure, this H is here, this H is here. Total 4 sigma bonds are there. Then it is this carbon is what? sp3 hybridized carbon atom. But the next is what we have here? Double bond we have here. So allylic alcohols means the alcohols in which the OH group has attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. Next to carbon-carbon double bond here. So this OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom only, but next to what? Carbon-carbon double bond. Here carbon-carbon double bond is there. Next to that we have sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and on that carbon atom we have OH group here. So that's why we can say the definition of allylic alcohols what? The alcohols in which the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond. Next to carbon-carbon double bond, then it is called allylic alcohols. This part, it is what called allyl. What is it called? Allyl. And this carbon is called allylic carbon. Allylic carbon. So such type of alcohols are called allylic alcohols. Here also if you see here carefully here, this carbon is what here? Primary carbon. This carbon is attached to the only one carbon. So this is primary allylic alcohol it is. Okay. And if you come here, this is one OH group, means it is monohydric, and this OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. And next to what? Carbon-carbon double bond, means it is what? Allylic only here. But the difference is what here? If you see this carbon, this is a secondary carbon. This carbon has attached to the two other carbon. One is here, one is here. So this is what? A secondary carbon. Secondary carbon means this is what? A secondary allylic alcohol. What is this one? Secondary allylic alcohol. And if you come to here, this carbon, if you see here, we have one OH group, it is monohydric, and this OH group has attached to this carbon. This carbon is what? sp3 hybridized, and this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, okay, has beside what we have? Carbon-carbon double bonds. It is what? Allylic. But the difference is what here? Again, this carbon is tertiary carbon, because this carbon has bonded with other three carbons. So what is this one? Tertiary carbon. So this will be what here? Tertiary allylic alcohol. Tertiary allylic alcohol. So these allylic alcohols are also three types: primary allylic alcohol, secondary allylic alcohol, and tertiary allylic alcohols. Okay, are you getting this one? So next we have here, so allylic alcohol. The same we have now for benzylic alcohol. Third one is what? Our benzylic alcohol. What is benzylic alcohol? Benzylic alcohol. What is benzylic alcohol? See here. This is we have here benzene ring we have here. Okay. And here we have OH group. Now, what is this one? OH group. OH group is one OH group means it is monohydric. Next, what we have here? This carbon. It has attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized. This carbon is sp3 hybridized. If you open this structure CH2 here, so 4 sigma bond means it is what? sp3 hybridized this carbon. OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. It is monohydric. Next to what? Aromatic ring. Next to aromatic ring here. So such type of alcohols are called benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols means here the alcohols in which the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to aromatic ring. Next to aromatic ring. Aromatic ring is what? Benzene ring here. So that's why it is what called benzylic alcohol. What is it called? Benzylic alcohol. In this case also, if you see here, this carbon is attached to one carbon only. Okay. So that's why it is what? Primary carbon. What is this one? Primary carbon. So it is what? Primary benzylic alcohol it is. Next if you see here, this carbon, same here, one OH group monohydric, it has attached to the carbon which is sp3 hybridized, but this carbon is what type it is? It is secondary carbon. It is what? Secondary carbon. So this is what? Secondary benzylic alcohol it is. And next we will come here. This carbon monohydric it is. It has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom only. But this carbon is what type? It is tertiary carbon. This carbon has attached to another 3 carbon atoms here. 1, 2, 3 here. That's why this is what called here? This is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary benzylic alcohol. Tertiary benzylic alcohol. So this is primary, secondary and tertiary. So in monohydric alcohol, the first type we have seen. What is that? The alcohols in which the OH group has attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In that we have 3 again subtype. First is saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols. Okay, again in that further what we have? Primary, secondary and tertiary. Same for allylic alcohols we have primary, secondary and tertiary. And for benzylic alcohols also primary, secondary and tertiary. Okay. So this type of water compound containing OH group on sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This classification we have seen here. 3 types are there. Saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols, allylic alcohols and benzylic alcohol. Next we have further the compounds containing OH group on sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So in that the first one is vinylic alcohol. Vinylic alcohol. In vinylic alcohol, see this one. The OH group has attached to the carbon which is sp2 hybridized. The OH group has attached directly to the carbon-carbon double bonded atom. We can say this vinylic alcohols means the alcohols in which the OH group is directly attached to the carbon-carbon double bond, then it is called vinylic alcohols. These are also called enols. In here alkenes are there and also enols. These are also what called enols here. Okay, so vinylic alcohols means the alcohols in which the OH group is attached directly to the carbon-carbon double bonded. Again here we have second one we have here. Second is phenols. What is phenols means here? Here we have OH group. The OH group has directly attached to the benzene ring. The OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring. We know that in benzene ring all the carbons are sp2 hybridized here. So that's why here this is OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized only. But here what we have here? Chain we have, single chain we have here. Here aliphatic chain we have here. Okay, single chain we have. But here what we have? Aromatic ring we have here. So that's why it is what called phenols here. The OH group is directly attached to the aromatic ring or OH group directly attached to the benzene ring. It is called phenols. So the compounds containing OH group on sp2 hybridized carbon atoms are of 2 types, vinylic alcohols and phenols. So total structure. So see the chart here, alcohols chart once again here. Alcohols are classified monohydric alcohols. What are this one? Monohydric alcohols. Monohydric Monohydric alcohols are classified are 2 types, CsP3OH and CsP2OH. Means here the compounds in which the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, and the compounds in which the OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom here. So this CsP3OH type again further classified saturated monohydric alcohol, allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. So these saturated monohydric alcohols are those alcohols in which the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group here. So it is ethanol. What is this one? Ethanol. In this we can have cycles also. If it is this is what cyclohexanol. What is its name? Cyclohexanol or cyclohexanol here. This is sp3 hybridized only, but we have a cycle here, or it is OH group is attached. What is this one? Cyclopropanol here, 3 carbon atom, cyclopropanol it is. And allylic alcohol means the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the carbon-carbon double bonded atom. So it is all allylic alcohols. And next we have benzylic alcohols. The OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the aromatic ring. It is called benzylic alcohols. All these three types have primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Already I have explained. Next we have carbon sp2OH. These are also two types, vinylic alcohol and phenols. In this type, the OH group will be attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, directly it will be bonded to the carbon-carbon double bonded atom. In vinylic alcohol, it will be in aliphatic chain here. Okay, and here this OH group will be attached directly to the aromatic rings here. OH group will attach directly to the aromatic ring. So it is phenol here, and in this case the OH group will be attached directly to the carbon-carbon double bonded atoms. Understood? Thanks for watching. Please study well. Thank you so much for watching.